In terms of step by step, let's just suppose I have built one ML model. Now I have to put it in operations. What should be done?
So before that, there's a lot of requirements that need to be finalized. It depends on the use case. Do you care about latency? Are you going to serve in live traffic, or is it going to be a batch process that's run offline? Are you cost sensitive? So do you want to use CPUs or TPUs to predict? They each have different costs and different latency and throughputs. So it really depends on your use case. That would define your requirements for the system. And once you have these requirements set, machine learning, MLOps requires that data scientists, they have like close collaboration with your software engineers, your DevOps engineers, and bring them early on into the process so that they know the requirements of your machine learning model. A lot of problems with like very infant machine learning systems is the data scientists develop their own models, and when they're done, they hand it over to DevOps or software engineers who then go ahead and deploy that model in production. And there's a big disconnect between both teams, and that can lead to problems in production. So a close collaboration is very important between both software engineers and machine learning or data scientists. There needs to be a clear communication of model requirements. So your model requires some CPU, RAM, memory, and also TPU and CPU resources. So that needs to be clearly communicated so your model is running in production in the best possible setting. There's also quality requirements that need to be communicated. So in machine learning monitoring, you want to make sure your model is performing adequately and equivalent to what you saw in your offline pipeline. And you want to specify thresholds of your model quality that if your model quality degrades from a certain point, then you notify the data scientists, they should jump in. So again, close communication between DevOps and machine learning scientists when taking machine learning models to production.